Good morning, mathematicians. I hope you're having a great day so far. Today's math lesson is based on fractions and understanding how they add together to make a whole. Now, I have a really cool way for you to visualize this. So think of these tubes as representing a whole. When the tube becomes filled to the top with equal parts, that's the same as adding unit fractions to make one whole. Let me show you an example. So we have our 1/4 cylinders. I can fill the tube with 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, and that equals one whole. Okay, now that you see how it works, let's look at examples of non-unit fractions. 3/6 is a non-unit fraction because the numerator is not 1. It's also a proper fraction because 3/6 is less than 1. We can tell that pretty easily just by observing that the numerator 3 is less than the denominator 6. We can represent 3/6 with our model by selecting our 1/6 tubes. Let's fill the tube. 1/6, 2/6, 3/6. So we can see that 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6 equals 3/6. So the fraction 3/6 can be decomposed or broken down into 3 unit fractions. Now let's look at an example with the improper fraction 4/3. An improper fraction is a fraction that is greater than 1, and we can tell that pretty easily just by observing that the numerator 4 is greater than the denominator 3. We can represent 4/3 with our model. Now, we need our 1/3 tubes. We also need another large tube because our fraction is greater than 1. Okay, let's fill the tube. 1/3, 2/3, 3/3. Oh, we have a whole. And 4/3. We can see that 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 plus 1/3 equals 4/3. So the fraction 4/3 can be decomposed or broken down into 4 unit fractions. Let's look at an example with a mixed number, 2.5. A mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. So we can represent 2 1/2 with our model. We need our 1/2 tubes. We also need a third large tube because our mixed number is greater than 2. Okay, let's fill our tubes. 1/2, 2/2, oh, that's one whole. 3/2, 4/2, we have 2 wholes, and one more half. We can see that 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 5/2. So the mixed number 2 1/2 can be decomposed or broken down into 5 unit fractions. Mathematicians, I really hope that this way of seeing fractions decomposed helped you feel confident that you understand fractions better. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time on Rise and Shine.